The first setting we decide is called profiles, or more commonly called layer height. This determines how much plastic is actually used to print each layer of our model. We can set this to 0.06 millimeters at the thinnest or 0.2 millimeters at the thickest, which is about the thickness of a human fingernail. Layer height matters for determining how long your print will take. If we set layer height to the thickest, 0.2, and click Slice, we see that it takes 3 hours and 9 minutes to print our model. If we set it to 0.06 at the thinnest and click Slice, we see that it takes 16 hours and 18 minutes, so dramatically longer to print. And this makes sense. If the thickness or height of each layer is a lot thinner, the printer is going to have to print a lot more layers for the model to come out. Layer height also matters for determining how smooth the outside of your print is. Let's look at an example. Here we can see the difference in layer height. The one on the left has the smallest layer height of 0.06 and is a little smoother. The one on the right has the thickest layer height of 0.2 and looks almost like a small staircase. If we zoom out and I mix them up, it's hard to tell which one is which. You really only need a thin layer height for small, intricate models with a lot of detail. For everything else, a layer height of 0.2 will do and make your prints print a lot faster. It's important to note that layer height has no effect on thickness anywhere else on the model. It only affects the thickness of the layers in the Z or up and down axes. Both models are the same, side to side. Layer height does not change the model. So our recommendation is to set your layer height to 0.2. Your print time will be shorter, and 0.2 will work for the majority of prints. Only look to set your layer height lower if what you're printing is very small, has lots of curves and details, and you want to capture as much of that detail as possible. For everything else, 0.2 will do.